Good morning everyone. Unfortunately this morning we've got to leave our really fancy accommodation because we're driving into San Francisco, which is quite exciting. I'm looking forward to it. Everything I've heard about it has been good, so yeah, can't wait. San Francisco has welcomed us lovely. It is raining heavily. We've just dropped the car off, unfortunately, and now we've got to walk to our accommodation in the rain. This is gonna be fun. We've arrived at our accommodation after a horrendous walk in the rain. It was like 20-25 minutes in the rain. It was horrible, uphill. San Francisco is very hilly. We're just checking in now. My hands, my feet, cold. Ready for a warm shower and a warm drink. So we finally got into our room. We weren't out in for a little while. They were doing check-ins at 3, so we're in our room. We're sharing it with, it looks like 22 other people. There is lots of beds in here. That'll be fun. We're both exhausted, and we're just going to chill out for a bit. I don't know what we're going to do later. We don't have any plans, so we'll see where the day takes us. So we've just been chilling out for the afternoon on our laptops, and now I'm Skyping Kenny. Say hello, Kenny. Look, it's Kenny. Kenny's who we're going to go see in about 6 days' time. He's letting us stay with him because he's a nice guy. So we've just been chilling out pretty much all afternoon. We just had some dinner just then. We're just really tired, really exhausted. We've been travelling for like 2 days straight now. So sorry if this has been a bit boring for you today. I apologise. Right now we're going to sort of chill out a bit more and then go to bed. We're not sure what we're going to do tomorrow yet. Depends on if the weather picks up or not. So yeah, just wait and see. Bye.